Alright, what we got here. Alright, what we got here is Scribbles right there. And she's gonna play fetch because that's what she likes to do. Alright, watch. And here she goes. She's gonna bring it back to me. Watch this. Alright, she's got it. And here it comes. And there it is. There it goes. And there she goes. Down. She's got it. And here she comes. You like to fetch, don't you? There it goes. There she goes. And here it comes. It's like I have a dog. Alright, one more time. Come on. There it goes. There she goes. She's got it. And here it comes back. Like always. I should have had a dog.